Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how you can make this microwave twixtor and zooms in After Effects. So let's go in After Effects now. Now first import two clips and add motion tile and copy my settings. And guys, here are my composition settings. Now select your first clip and pre-compose it. Now go inside this pre-composition and start tracking your clip. Now apply Twixtor to your pre-composition. You can copy these settings. Now pre-compose it one more time. Now right click on your clip, go to time and time remapping. Now drag your last keyframe around the middle of the area. Now just copy what I do. And you can also copy the same graph. Now repeat the process in all your clips. And now our microwave twixtor is complete. Now we can add zooms. Just add adjustment layer above your clip. And copy again what I am doing. Now copy the adjustment layer guys and put it above your second clip and change the keyframe values like I am doing right now. Now copy paste the adjustment layer properly. And it should look like this. And here you have it guys. And one more things guys, I wanna say thank you so much for 570k subscribers. It means a lot to me. Thanks for this great support. So yeah, that's it guys, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon guys.